What's up, everybody? This is my new EDC update. I'll start here. Wallet. This is my back right pocket. ID, CPR card. Yes, I am CPR certified. Strike anywhere matches. Kershaw, chive, money, mini blackjack. I used to carry this, not anymore. I switched to something else, which I'll show you on later on. So there's that. This is fire sources. This is my backup one, the lighter leash with the Grim Reaper lighter in it. There's that. This is my primary light source, the Zippo. This is what I switched the blackjack with. My charade first response. I figured I needed like a weapon and a tool, because this has the window smasher and the seatbelt cutter. Partially serrated, tantrum style blade. Nice knife. Here's my backup knife, the Gerber Fast Draw. Push it up, spring assisted. Yeah. I have a review on all these knives. I have a review on everything here. And then this is my primary one. My Kershaw Storm 2. So there's that, that, Zippo, Reaper, and wallet. Yeah, and all automated duct tape. So there's my EDC update. Thanks for watching, guys.